Good morning. It's time for morning coffee. Sorry I haven't been on for a little bit. I've been busy. Big change. All right. So first of all, the world's waking up. I know a lot of y'all are laughing at me and stuff like that, but the world's waking up. Everybody's realizing. Well, they aren't realizing quite what I'm seeing, but that's because they're, going on their own theories and stuff. As I see it all, the universe is very basic. It's very basic. It's scary, but it's basic. It follows very basic mechanical laws that simply repeat and scale to size. Some of those laws we don't quite understand, like magnetism, and it's ruled by magnetism. It really is. There's a lot of magnetism going on. Look at the atom, okay? Just look at the atom. All right, so the thing about the dipoles that I was doing was not right. I realized that because I was going on Bohr's model. Everybody's been going on Bohr's model. But here's the thing, it don't make sense. The neutrons, we're looking at shells on the magnetism, right? And then we're looking at weight or mass, and then how that affects the magnetic field, how that affects the interaction on how things link and don't link and stuff like that. And we're also seeing frequency. We identify atoms by basically hitting it with a laser and seeing how much we got to hit to make it change, to make it pop. And that was the part I was missing. Angular momentum and stages, different stages. So take the first layer of the magnetic field, right? Extreme layer. What you got is only a couple of configurations. And angular momentum. All right. In my studies, I figured out angular momentum has a lot to do with heat transfer. It has a lot to do with electrical transfer, magnetic transfer, all of this other stuff, right? It's about ready to rain. I got to go. But the idea is helium-1 is a very slow spin. You speed it up and it increases weight. And it becomes deuterium. So we only have to touch that a little bit to make it pop. When it increases on its own, it goes into helium-3, at which point it's actually at a different stage, an extreme spin. Increase it a little bit more at just the right frequency, and it basically pulls in on itself. Hasn't actually gained actual physical mass. It pulls in on itself, increases its spin, tightens up its magnetic field, and becomes tiny, and that's how we don't really see it as interacting a lot. It closes itself in. All right, I gotta go.